Hello everyone, welcome to Diva classes. This is Divya Vadvani and today we'll be discussing about the syllabus of ICSE for class 10 2026 examinations. Okay, so taking up the first paper, that is of English language. The paper is of 80 marks. English language, in which question number 1 is the part of composition, जिसमें 300 to 350 words you have to write. ठीक है, जिसमें there can be descriptive, narrative, report, explanation, persuade करना और argue करना. मतलब these are the topics that are given. जिसमें story is there, descriptive is there, narrative is there, picture composition is there. Then question number 2, in which you have to write a letter. That can be a formal letter or a friendly note of treatment, means an informal letter. Question number 3, जिसमें the candidates have to be given the specific situation, जिसमें they have to write notice as well as an email. Question number 4, जिसमें एक unseen passage होता है, that is of 500 words, and questions regarding vocabulary structure will be asked, and there is also a part of pressy writing, जिसमें the grid has to be made of for 50 words. Okay, next is the last one, that is question number 5, जिसमें there will be short answer questions to test the functional grammar, जिसमें you have to prepare the prepositions, conjunctions, word and structure of sentences. So these questions are asked. Then comes a part of literature, जिसमें drama and prose is there and the portion of poetry is there. So what things, this is the most important topic for here, जिसमें you need to remember that these are the topics that you should study for class 10th. Drama, Julius Caesar, जिसमें act 3, 4 and 5 is there. Act 1 and 2 you should study, बट जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो मेजरली इसमें से पूछे जाएंगे. उनकी सिर्फ आपको एक ब्रीफ समरी पता होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि इन केस कोई इवेंट हो जो प्रीवियस से रिलेट करता हो, तो इसलिए 3, 4, 5 इज टू बी स्टडीड. 1 and 2 ओनली द कॉन्सेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. देन ट्रेजर चेस्ट, अ कलेक्शन ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज एंड पोएम्स, जिसमें सबसे पहले प्रोज part है, that is short stories with the photographer, the elevator girl who can, pedestrian and last lesson. So these 5 stories you have to prepare. Then haunted house, the glove and the lion, the when trees great trees fall, a considerable speck and the power of music. So these 5 stories, 5 poems and drama, act 3, 4, 5 you need to prepare. तो इसमें एक और चीज़ लिखी हुई है that ICSE class 10 में examination में paper will only be set on the portion of the syllabus that is prescribed for class 10, okay, not for class 9th one. So I hope you all have understood this much. Rest we'll be doing soon, and these things you can find in the playlist of ISC English Literature, as well as the part of drama Julius Caesar में you can find the entire Julius Caesar drama. Keep preparing. Till then, best wishes. Thank you.